Ladies and gentlemen, Davenport's is proud to present Kelly Bussey in Mommy Dearest.
So weak, I'll just leave it here. Your newborn child is like a little universe that you have helped create. An infinity of miracles that multiply at an ever-growing rate. The first words, the first steps, the first day of school, a brand new life about to start. It fills your heart, and it all starts with fucking. It all starts with fucking. A woman fucked a man, and a human life began. Yes, it all starts with fucking. And one day your child will look around and see the world and ask you why. Mom, why is the grass so green, the sky so blue? And Mom, what happens when we die? And then comes the question that all parents fear. Mom, how did I get here? The answer's clear. It all starts with fucking. It all starts with good old-fashioned fucking. It's a fundamental fact. Your parents did the act. Yes, it all starts. Now turn to your neighbor and take a real good look at each other. They would not be sitting here if someone had not fucked their mother. Everybody's parents had to do it to conceive, except Jesus and Adam and Eve. If that's what you believe, it all starts with fucking, 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 and maybe some sucking. One day we'll all be gone, but part of us will always live on. And it all starts with waka chicka wow wow, chicka chicka chicka. Oh, 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 there, yes, yes, Doug, yes! I would like to thank Davenport's for letting me come again.